right, today we got a Genesis GV70. Not only does it covered in pollen, but it has a ceramic coating on the outside of the car. So we have to make sure that we do a super nice job. So what we're gonna start with is we're gonna degrease all of the rims, and then we're gonna spray some degreaser on the grill, as well as like where the license plates are, to pull off some of those bugs and whatnot that have been slapping on there as she's driving to work. Alright, now we're going to give the rims a little bit of a scrub. Alright, now what I like to do once the rims are clean, I give it a good spray down. Try to get all those like starting dirts off. Spray all the pollen and whatnot off the car, and then we're gonna soap it. So I'm preparing the juice for the foam on the outside. We're gonna give it a good spray down. Then we're gonna hand wash it. Make sure all that stuff's nice and clean. Then we're gonna do another rinse. We're gonna dry, and then we're gonna finish it. Don't forget the gas cap. Don't forget the door jambs. All right, now we're gonna give her a good rinse. Now it's time for the only towel, the black line towel.
Some things are meant to be. In the end, the call. In the end, the call.
All right, so what I like to do now is I go over it with the ceramic spray wax to finish off the paint, and then I like to do the windows on the outside, and then I finish up with the rims. Let's shine these rims up, fix the customer, and get out of here.